The Keats companies have been producing precision metal stampings, wire forms, and assemblies since 1958. We have 3 advanced manufacturing facilities throughout North America to serve our customers: Wheeling, Illinois, El Paso, Texas, and Querétaro, Mexico. Our corporate headquarters and Technology Innovation Center in the Chicagoland area, Keats Manufacturing Company, serves as the hub for the entire organization. This is where tooling is developed using the latest techniques and is guaranteed for the life of the project. Our experienced team of design engineers and toolmakers take the most complex part drawing and develop a custom manufacturing solution. Keats Southwest was established in 1994 to serve our growing client base along the U.S.-Mexico border. In 2016, we launched our newest manufacturing site in Querétaro, Mexico. Keats de Mexico features the same advanced technical capabilities as our 2 locations in the United States. In early 2021, we expanded into a 45,000 square foot facility that is strategically positioned to meet the needs of our customers in central Mexico, specifically the Bajío region. Keats serves the automotive, medical, electrical distribution, defense, appliance, and renewable energy industries. Among our 3 facilities, we have 175 4-slides, multi-slides, and stamping presses capable of producing the most intricate parts in the world. We specialize in high-volume, tight tolerance parts. Our facilities have achieved the latest quality standards, including ISO 9001, IATF 16949, and the environmental standard ISO 14001. Our team is focused on continuous improvement with an objective to have 0 defects. This ideology is at the heart of our organization and keeps both Keats and its customers at the forefront of our marketplace. What is most unique about Keats is our people. Over 300 dedicated employees work around the clock to produce the best quality parts at the best price with on-time delivery. Our teaching and mentoring culture focuses on professional and personal development. Nearly 20% of our staff have more than 20 years of experience with Keats. We cordially invite you to tour the Keats companies in Illinois, Texas, or Mexico. See our process. Meet the men and women who are at the foundation of our organization. You will see why Keats should be your next supply chain partner.